In this video, we're going to walk through how to install the SharkBite washing machine outlet box. Outlet boxes from SharkBite feature the popular and quick push-to-connect universal fittings people have grown to love from SharkBite. The washing machine outlet box is available with or without water hammer arrestors to fit your specific application. If you're replacing an existing outlet box, remember, shut off the water supply and drain the water lines first. Start by inserting the mounting brackets into the slots on the sides of the box. Always remember to install above the water height of the washer. This is typically 42 inches from the floor to the top of the outlet box. Bring the box flush with or slightly below the finished wall surface. Attach the mounting brackets to the studs with screws or nails. SharkBite fittings are compatible with copper, CPVC, or hex pipe. Connect the water distribution lines to the SharkBite push fittings and remove the test cap knockout. Then locate the desired drain opening and attach the 2-inch DWV pipe using solvent weld. Once cured, ensure there are no leaks. Once the wall surface is finished, snap the faceplate into place. Make sure that the outlet box valves are turned to the off position before turning the water supply back on, and until the appliance is connected and ready to use. Using SharkBite is fast, efficient, and reliable.